Joy Lab.
Hi, I'm Tonya. Today we're going to look at how do you deal with bacon ends and pieces. Now, frying up some bacon is a greasy, splattery mess. And it's totally worth it because bacon is like breakfast candy and bacon makes everything better. But freezer meals, we want to eliminate the stress and the mess when we have meals. So we front load the work. There is no better way to front load the work for bacon than in cooking up a whole bunch, 3 pounds of bacon ends and pieces all at once. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to do that right now. You will need a jelly rolled pan, or really any size pan that you have a cooling rack that will fit in it. But you want to cover your pan with heavy duty aluminum foil first to make your cleanup so much easier. This is what it will look like. Now, this almost looks like a roll of intestines. It looks really disgusting. Sometimes your butcher at your grocery store will have bacon ends and pieces. Either way, the prepackaged or from your butcher at your local grocery store. Bacon ends and pieces is just that. It's jumbled mess. It's not full slices. It isn't consistent in thickness or length. Mm, 3 pounds of bacon ends and pieces. Now you have to go to your inner biology student. You're dissecting. Think back to high school, and you're going to be dissecting this load of bacon ends and pieces, pulling them apart and setting them on the cookie rack, on the cooling rack in your tray to bake in the oven. And that's the secret. You're going to bake all this bacon in the oven, one tray at a time. The temperature is 350, just like everything is 350. And the time it takes typically is 30 minutes. Bacon ends and pieces comes in different widths often. So 30 minutes is just an estimate. This piece is pretty thick. But you put the thick on at the same time with everything else. And it all goes into the oven at the same time. Now you can see I've probably only gotten a quarter of the bacon ends and pieces dissected and onto the tray for this first round. I told you front load the work. You're doing all the work now so that you will have bacon prepared for whenever you just need to pull it out of the refrigerator or the freezer. That's about all I can do. I'm gonna put this in the oven. How much? 350 degrees. How long? About 30 minutes. And I'll see you afterwards. Ugh, slimy hands. Gotta wash my hands first. go, bacon ends and pieces. This was 30 minutes in the oven. You want to put a paper towel on your plate and just take all the pieces off to cool. And you know bacon freezes really well. So this 3 pounds of bacon does not need to sit in my refrigerator being slowly eaten a little bit at a time. Now, this was the thicker piece and it is not done yet, so I'm going to put him back in the oven. Now the oil, the grease that's in the pan, you don't need to drain. You can just start again. Ooh, I'm glad that didn't fall on the floor. That would have been a greasy, yucky mess. Now just you're back to working your way through your raw bacon ends and pieces until you get them all baked. You've done all the work ahead of time. Once you've baked it all, just let the pan cool until the bacon grease solidifies. Then you can just peel up the foil and easily toss that away. Freezer's meals are all about doing the work up front so that your evenings are stress-free, mess-free, and delicious. My name again is Tonya. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh man, it smells so good. Bye-bye.
Joy Lab. Learning done right. Learn more with Joy Lab. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Visit us at www.joylab.biz. Thank you.